90% of truck owners picking a tonneau cover right now are making the same 3 mistakes, and they don't find out until it's too late. The cover leaks, the lock gets pried, or the panels crack after one bad season. In this video, I'm ranking the top 6 best tonneau covers of 2026, based on verified specs, real buyer data, and head-to-head comparisons from trusted sources. Before this video ends, I'm going to expose one cover that nearly every YouTube channel still recommends as a top pick, but that has a documented factory weakness hiding in plain sight. Plus, I'll give you one buying secret that can save you from a $300 to $500 mistake. Product links are in the description. Kicking things off at number 6 with the TruXedo Lo Pro. And if you're looking for the best soft roll-up tonneau cover under $550, stop right here. The Lo Pro starts at $499.99 and is North America's #1 selling roll-up truck bed cover. It is proudly assembled in South Dakota and backed by a lifetime warranty. 2 things most competitors at this price point simply cannot say. What separates the Lo Pro from cheaper roll-up options is TruXedo's patented automatic tension control system. It works alongside their floating hook Velcro technology, which allows the side seals to shift slightly along the rail rather than staying rigidly fixed. This prevents the side seals from wearing out prematurely, a problem that destroys most soft covers within a year or 2 of daily use. The cover sits just 3/4 of an inch above your bed rails, one of the lowest profiles in the roll-up category. Installation requires no drilling, takes around 20 minutes with basic hand tools, and the one-finger latch system at the tailgate makes it effortless to open every single day. When you need full bed access, it rolls up and straps securely behind the cab. The aluminum frame uses a gloss black powder coat finish, and the tear-resistant vinyl is reinforced with rubber weather seals on all 4 sides. Verified buyers on eTrailer.com confirmed it holds up during heavy rain and cold weather installs, with one buyer completing installation in temperatures as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit and reporting 0 leaking. What it won't do is stop a determined thief or survive a direct hail strike. It is a soft cover. But for daily drivers who want clean looks, reliable weather protection, and maximum convenience at a fair price, the TruXedo Lo Pro is still one of the best options money can buy in 2026. This one is also widely stocked in-store at major truck accessory retailers for buyers who prefer to see it in person before purchasing. At number 5, the Retrax EQ, and this is where this list steps into genuine tech territory. The Retrax EQ is an electric retractable tonneau cover built from heavy-duty aluminum, supporting up to 500 pounds on top. What makes it truly different is how you operate it. 3 ways. The Retrax smartphone app on iOS and Android, your truck's own factory OEM key fob, or an optional cab-mounted touchpad. 3 ways to open your bed without ever touching the cover. The motor runs on Retrax's dual helical cable drive system, with glide tracks embedded into the aluminum side rail channels. Near-silent operation with 0 mechanical joints that can jam or freeze. An anti-pinch mechanism stops the cover automatically if it detects any obstruction, and a manual disconnect handles any electrical emergency. The EQ comes standard with a built-in LED light strip in the driver's side rail that activates automatically every time the cover opens or closes. The integrated Trax rail system accepts T-slot accessories from Yakima, Thule, and Rhino-Rack. Assembled in the USA, backed by a 5-year warranty, and engineered with the shortest canister in the industry for maximum usable bed length. Price ranges from approximately $800 to $2,200 based on fitment. No other cover on this list gives you Bluetooth-controlled, key fob-operated bed access with automatic LED lighting, all in one unit. Number 4 is the DiamondBack HD, priced at $1,599 from the official DiamondBack website, and it earns its spot by doing something no other cover on this list can match: weight capacity. The DiamondBack HD is rated to hold 1,600 pounds on top of the closed cover. That is not a typo. According to DiamondBack's official specifications, their patented Stronghaul design uses 100-inch thick diamond plate aluminum panels, reinforced by 7 structural support beams. For context, most hard-folding covers top out at 400 to 500 pounds. The aluminum exterior uses the same spray-on bedliner coating that Ford and Toyota apply at the factory, resistant to gasoline, diesel, and paint. 3 finishes are available: rugged black, smooth black, and aluminum. Weather protection comes from a thick EPDM compression gasket running the full perimeter, combined with custom-engineered gutters at every hinge point. 2 key deadbolt-style lock handles with 3 8-inch deadbolt rods under the bed rail make forced entry extraordinarily difficult. Verified owners confirmed 0 water intrusion even during heavy rain. Both front and rear panels open independently for equal access to either half of the bed. Installation takes 45 minutes. Removal takes 10 minutes. Built in Phillipsburg, Pennsylvania since 2003. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty. If you regularly haul firewood, rooftop tents, kayaks, or lumber on top of your cover, nothing else on this list comes close. At number 3, the Retrax Pro XR, the manual retractable cover that outdoor-focused and work-focused truck owners keep choosing because of one feature no other retractable on the market has matched. The Pro XR is built from industrial-strength aluminum slats with a matte black powder-coated finish. Per Retrax's official spec sheet, it supports up to 500 pounds of evenly distributed weight, identical to the EQ without the motor. For the Ford F-150 5.7 bed, one of the most popular fitments in the country, the Pro XR retails at $1,490, a specific price worth noting for shoppers doing direct comparisons. What makes the XR genuinely different from every other retractable on the market is the integrated Trax rail system, T-slot channels machined directly into both aluminum side rails. These rails accept accessories from Yakima, Thule, Rhinorack, and most other major manufacturers. That means you can mount a full overhead truck rack, cargo platform, or gear carrier above the retractable cover and still slide the cover open with a single hand while your rack stays in place above it. No other manual retractable in 2026 combines those two capabilities at this price. The cover locks securely in any position, open or closed via a key lockable latch. Operation runs on sealed ball bearing rollers embedded inside the rail channels. No springs, no joints that trap dirt, and no moving parts that freeze during a northern winter. No drilling is required. The clamp-on installation is completed in under 1 hour and leaves 0 permanent modifications on your truck bed, protecting resale value completely. The Retrax Pro XR is assembled in the USA and backed by Retrax's legendary lifetime guarantee. For the hunter, the overlander, or the contractor who needs full accessory mounting capability above a retractable cover, this is the one. At number 2, the Tyger Auto T3. And yes, a soft trifold cover finishing this high might raise some eyebrows. Here is exactly why it belongs here. The T3 is priced between $221 and $299, depending on your truck and bed size, making it the most affordable cover on this list by a wide margin. It is US patented. The cover is built with dual-coated 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl stretched over aircraft-grade aluminum crossbars, secured with stainless steel clamps. That is the same class of construction material used on covers that cost 3 to 4 times as much. Installation takes 5 to 10 minutes. No drilling, no special tools required. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars fold up with the cover panels when you need full bed access. The clamp and latch system mounts directly to the bed rail and works on virtually all stock bed liners without any modification. Tyger Auto has confirmed compatibility with 2026 model year trucks across every major platform: Ford F-150, Ford F-150 Lightning, Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, Ram 1500, Ram 2500, 3500, Toyota Tundra, Toyota Tacoma, Nissan Frontier, and Jeep Gladiator. Tyger Auto was founded in 2013 by a team of North American truck owners and builders. This is not a fly-by-night brand. Verified buyers on Amazon and TigerAuto.com consistently report solid rain resistance in normal weather, a clean fit flush with the bed rails, and vinyl that holds its shape across multiple seasons. One recurring installer note from real buyers worth passing along: apply the front bulkhead seal carefully during setup. Front corner water intrusion is almost always the result of a poorly seated front seal at installation, not a product defect. For truck owners working with a real budget in 2026, the Tyger Auto T3 gives you a level of protection and build quality that makes it the most honest value on this entire list. And at number 1, the Backflip MX4, now in its 3rd generation. And the world's top-selling truck bed cover just became significantly better. Real Truck relaunched the MX4 as the GN3 with a 22% strength increase over the original. The aluminum panels are reinforced with a high-density polymer core, and the side rails use upgraded alloy components throughout. This was not a cosmetic refresh. The entire structural build was redesigned from the ground up. Pricing falls between $149.99 and $149.99, depending on bed size. You can buy it at Walmart, Amazon, and specialty truck accessory dealers nationwide. For buyers who want to walk into a store and see the cover before purchasing, the Backflip MX4 Gen 3 carries broader in-store availability than any other hard-folding cover on this list, making it the right choice for both online and in-store shoppers regardless of age or preference. On the security side, Back re-engineered the lock with a patented auto-latching mechanism specifically designed to resist forced entry. The weather system includes upgraded EPDM rubber seals and an all-new dual-action tailgate seal. According to Real Truck's verified specifications, this cover has been climate tested in conditions ranging from -40 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and from 0 to 95% humidity. That is documented real-world climate validation, not a marketing claim. The cover supports 400 pounds of evenly distributed weight. It folds in thirds and sits flush with the bed rails in a textured matte black finish. Fold it to 2/3 open for partial access or completely flat against the cab for full bed use. The integrated tailgate seal allows your tailgate to close with the cover either up or down, a practical daily use detail that saves real time every single day. The BAKFlip MX4 Gen 3 is backed by a 5-year warranty and fits virtually every major truck platform in the USA in 2026. With over 5,000 verified reviews on Walmart alone confirming its performance, this is exactly why it holds the top spot. Now, the cover I promised to call out, the BAKFlip G2. It appears on nearly every best of list online as the budget alternative, but the G2 uses older, thinner aluminum panels without the GN3 reinforcement. Multiple verified buyers have documented hail denting on the standard aluminum surface, even after light hail that left the truck body completely untouched. If you live anywhere with seasonal hail, skip the G2. Spend the extra $80 and get the MX4 GN3. That is your buying secret for 2026. Every cover on this list earns its place for a different reason. If value is your priority, the Tyger T3 wins every time. If you need American-built strength with top hauling capacity, the DiamondBack HD stands alone. If you want full tech control, the Retrax EQ is in a class of its own. And if you want the best all-around hard-folding cover most truck owners can actually afford, the Backflip MX4 Gen 3 is the answer. All product links are in the description. Hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.